we may just be primed for another BTC loan. So I've been looking at BTC for about 2 days now. And if you see here, we had a strong resistance around the 70K level. So we had a very strong reaction from this level that pushed it down to around 63K, which has a very strong support, which also pushed it back up to the previous resistance level of 70K, and then we started coming down, correcting, and we are having a continuation. So on the bigger picture, we have an indication, correction, and we're having a continuation. But let's break it down. So we know higher highs and higher lows are the characteristics of uptrend. So we start here, we had a low, we had a higher high, we had a higher low, and price broke this high, so created a new high and broke structure around 767.6K or thereabout. And so this means here that price has the potential to go up, but we can't just trade the indication because we don't know where price will stop. So we wait for a correction and a continuation above this break of structure level. So if you had taken a long here, you would have had all the rights to take a long, putting your SL at the previous low. But I missed this because of some other things that took my attention yesterday. So I had to wait for price to break the new high or break the new low. And a few minutes ago, price just broke the previous high, which was around 69.6K. So I'll be waiting for it to correct, possibly correcting below this level where it broke the previous high. Okay, around this level. So if price falls below here, I'll be waiting for price to bounce back up. And once it's above here, then I can take the long. So I'll be waiting to see where the correction starts. So let's assume the correction starts here. Let's assume price doesn't go below this level and price falls down to this point and starts going back up. I'll open a long and target this region, and my stop loss will be just below this point. But as usual, we would be taking our entries from the lower time frame. But it's not yet time for us to open along because we are still waiting for a we are still waiting for a correction and a continuation. So that's it from me. What else are you seeing on BTC?